In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, use, and download new fonts in LibreOffice Writer. By the end, you'll know how to safely get new fonts, install them on Windows, and start using them in your documents right away. First, let's download a font. Open your browser and head to a trusted font website. Great options include Google Fonts for a large free collection, as well as DaFont and Font Squirrel. These sites make browsing easy, and many fonts are free for personal use. Always take a moment to review the license listed on the font's page so you're clear on how you can use it. When you find a font you like, either by scrolling through categories or searching by name, click Download. Your browser will save a zip file, usually in your Downloads folder. That zip is just a compressed package containing the actual font files. Next, extract the font. Locate the zip, right-click it, and choose Extract All. Open the new folder that appears. Inside, look for files ending in .ttf, which stands for True Type Font, or .otf, which is Open Type Font. These are the files you will install. Sometimes you'll see multiple weights and styles like regular, bold, or italic. You can install any or all of them depending on what you need. Now install the font on Windows. LibreOffice doesn't install fonts itself, so adding them to your system is essential. Right-click each .ttf or .otf file and choose Install. If you want the font available to every account on the computer, choose Install for all users. You might be prompted for permission, approve it, and Windows will handle the rest. Once installed, the font becomes available across your apps, including LibreOffice Writer. Let's use the font in Writer. Launch LibreOffice and open an existing document or create a new one. In the toolbar, click the font name drop-down. You can scroll through the list or start typing the font's name to quickly filter and find it. To apply the font to text you've already written, highlight the text and then click the font name. If you'd rather type with that font from the start, just select it first and begin typing. If your new font doesn't appear, give Writer a quick restart so it refreshes its font list. Also, double check that you installed the .ttf or .otf files and not just extracted the zip. That's it. You've downloaded, installed, and applied new fonts in LibreOffice Writer, making your documents look exactly the way you want.